Well, well, well. Look who's back for another round of time-wasting debauchery. Yep, you guessed it, yours truly. But hey, wasting time is what I do best, so why break the streak, am I right? Now let's get down and dirty. Today's agenda? We're diving into the nitty-gritty NPR maintenance on an Isuzu box truck. So grab your lube, folks, because we're about to slide into some seriously greasy action. Alright, you lot, listen the hell up. When you're gearing up to slide your sorry ass under your truck, make damn sure you've got enough room to wedge that booty in there. So, spread 'em wide and give yourself some breathing space, because draining that filthy oil is going to take all the leverage you can muster. Here's the shot of the draining oil coupled with the removal of the old filter. We're gonna slap on that fresh filter like we're putting a condom on a bull. Quick, messy, and absolutely necessary. Time to now swap out those two grimy fuel filters. Think of it as another repulsive analogy, such as changing a pair of sweaty socks after a long day at the gym, messy, smelly, but damn necessary for the health of your truck. Let's not forget to make sure to get things in proper order by grabbing hold tight and slathering on enough to keep everything slick and smooth. Barbie dolls, listen up. We're gonna fill up this damn tank with some fuel, got it? And how the hell are we gonna do that, you ask? Well, we're gonna use this thing called the hand primer. It's gonna suck that fuel right out of the tank and into the engine. You're following me, you aboriginals? Good. Now, once we've got that fuel flowing, we're gonna crack open the bleeds. You might hear some air hissing out, but don't you worry your pathetic little minds about it. We'll keep at it until we've got a nice steady stream of fuel. And once that's done, we'll be good to go. You'll have had your fill of this shit show. And if you're still breathing after watching this dumpster fire, you can stumble your sorry ass over to the next YouTube video. But don't expect any fucking miracles over there either. So strap in, grab some popcorn, and get ready for another round of pure, unadulterated bullshit.